Hey everybody, welcome back to the Print 3D channel. Today is July 27th, and that means day 208 of the 3DP 365 project. And on today's episode, we printed out Influunt Vase number 1, so stick around. Hey everybody, welcome back, and thank you for joining me here for day 208 of the 3DP 365 project. As always, down in the description there's a fact section. There's also the MatterHackers affiliate link. If you're in the market for some new filament, just use that MatterHackers affiliate link and you really help out the channel. On today's episode, we printed out Influunt Vase number 1, and our print turned out perfect. I am super happy with the results. It is super flexible though. I don't think the geometry is nearly the same as Influunt Vase number 2, which we printed yesterday, and you can watch that video here. But it is a very cool print nonetheless. And we used some of that MatterHackers PRO PLA in the color of jet gray, one of their new colors. And it's a really dark charcoal gray. I really love this, really love this filament. It's a really cool color. It's almost as dark as the spool, so it's really hard to see on the spool in the package. But once I opened the package, I was really surprised at this really rich color. And our print turned out awesome. I am super happy with the results. We downloaded this from Thingiverse, and once we had it downloaded, we sent it over to Simplify3D 4.0. In Simplify3D, we used a 0.2mm layer height, and we enacted Vase Mode. And if you're unfamiliar with Vase Mode, it's the single corkscrew outline printing method. Basically, your extruder will lay down one continuous layer of filament and slowly rise up until it finishes the model. We also used 4 bottom layers on this, and we ran this out at 55 millimeters per second. And it took about 6 hours to print. And after all that print time, our little Influunt Vase number 1 turned out awesome. I am super happy with the results. This is a very shiny filament. It has a really cool rich texture and rich color to it. There are no blobs, there are no globs, there are no layer skips. There are no problems with this print whatsoever. Simplify3D 4.0 Vase Mode really rocks. This is my second print using Vase Mode because you know I like to use Vase Mode a lot. So when the 4.0 version came out, that's one of the first things I started testing was Vase Mode. And this is our second print, and it looks awesome. I am super happy with the results. It is super flexible. You'd almost think we printed this with flexible material, but if you grab it by the edge, you can feel this is standard PLA. And it really turned out awesome. I am super happy with the results, and I'm definitely going to gMaxSize this with multiple perimeters and probably use that new multiple process wizard in Simplify3D 4.0 to really strengthen up the bottom of it and make it a watertight working vase. Well, that about wraps it up for day 208 of the 3DP 365 project. I hope you guys found this episode interesting and informative. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Comment, like, and share those videos, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.